Welcome back to our channel One to Step everybody, and in today's video I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can open Citibank account. So basically if you want to create an account online, so this video is for you. You don't have to go to their bank account physically. You can just sit at your comfort of your home and create an account for Citibank. But you need to have some important documents ready for this case, alright? So just keep that in mind. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel One to Step. Let's move forward. Search for Open Citibank bank account and click on the first link. It'll take you to the official website of Citibank. Over here, click on Open Account. And over here, you want to select the type of bank account you want to create. I want to create a checking and savings. I'm going to click on that. After you choose which plan you want, just click on Apply Now and choose which type of account you want. Click on Continue. Now over here, you want to enter your first name over here. And then you want to enter your last name over here as well. And you want to enter your date of birth over here. Then you want to enter your social security number, and if you want to join application or not. And basically on the next step, they're gonna ask you for your ID verification and then your employment and income status, and then it's gonna ask you to set up an online account, and then it's gonna ask you to agree to its terms and service. You can read it, terms and service, agree to it, and it's gonna ask you to put some money into your account. You can transfer it via bank account, and basically it's done. So that's how you guys can create a Citibank bank account. Just make sure to fill up all this form correctly and you should be good. So just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Bye bye.